What is up, everyone? This is Charles here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi icon option missing from your Windows 10 or 11 device. So let's get right into this. So if you basically, when you click at the bottom right over here and you don't see this Wi-Fi option over here, whether it looks like this or a little bit differently, and you're basically trying to connect to that, mostly because obviously it's on your laptop, right? Again, desktop, you're usually most likely doing Ethernet, but sometimes obviously you can do like mine, you can actually do Wi-Fi as well. So if you're basically seeing this and you're not able to see that icon, there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing to do is to go to search bar and type in services, and then once you do that, just type in WL until you see this WLAN auto config open up. Double click into this, make sure it's running. If not, start it to make it run, and then make sure it's not on manual, it's on automatic. A lot of times this will fix this issue for you, so just try that and see if this fixes it for you. The next thing you want to do, if that does not work, is to type in device manager, as I did over here, and you want to basically find the network and adapters and find the one that's basically for the wireless thing right here. So you want, like, as such, so right, you want to make sure it's enabled, and you want to make sure that you are basically able to update the driver. It's entirely possible that it's not updated and it's not working because of that. You could just uninstall it and then reinstall it and see if that fixes your issue for you as well. So yeah, that's basically it. Once you guys follow these steps, you guys should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please thumbs up, join the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm Charles out. Peace.